Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Are you having trouble with the heater in your car? We all know how uncomfortable it can get when you're re-driving in freezing weather and your cabin just won't warm up. If you think the heater core might be the problem, stick around. In the next 2 minutes, we'll break down the key signs that your heater core could be failing. The heater core plays a critical role in keeping your car warm. It works by using hot coolant from the engine to heat the air that flows into the cabin. When the engine runs, the coolant circulates through the heater core, and the blower motor pushes that warm air inside. It's that simple, but when things go wrong, the heater core can either get clogged or leak. Here are the key symptoms to look out for. You turn your car's heater all the way up, but the air coming out is still cold, or maybe just a little warm. This usually means the heater core isn't getting enough hot coolant to do its job. A clogged or leaking core is likely preventing proper airflow, so you end up with a chilly ride. Symptom 2, coolant leaks next. Keep an eye out for coolant leaks inside the cabin. Since the heater core is tucked behind the dashboard, if it starts leaking, coolant can drip onto the floor. To check, grab a white napkin and wipe it up. If the napkin smells sweet and the color matches the coolant, it's a clear sign of a leak. Symptom 3, sweet smell. Speaking of sweet smells, if you notice a strong, syrup-like scent while you were driving, it could be leaking coolant. This isn't just unpleasant, it can be dangerous. Breathing in coolant fumes can harm your health, so don't ignore it. Symptom 4, foggy windshield. Another sign, a foggy windshield. If no amount of defrosting seems to clear up the fog, it might be a heater core issue. When coolant leaks and evaporates, it can travel through the vents, making your windshield fog up. Try wiping it down with a cloth. If it smears instead of cleaning up, you may need to check the heater core. Symptom 5, low coolant over time. A leaking heater core will cause your coolant levels to drop. A low coolant level leads to another problem, an overheating engine. Coolant helps absorb the heat from your engine, so without enough coolant, the engine can overheat. If you've been topping off your coolant constantly, it's time to take a closer look at the heater core. Symptom 6, overheating engine. One simple test you can do is to carefully touch both heater hoses. If one feels hot and the other is cold or only warm, that's a sign your heater core might be clogged. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips right here on Weekly Tools. Stay warm out there, and I'll see you in the next video.